Welcome back to the workshop, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. So how do you know when you've got your plane tuned up properly? Well, it's real simple. It's easier to use. You're getting the perfect shaving that you want to take off. The surface of your wood is exceptional. But here's how I know when I'm at least close to having the plane blade and chip breaker set up perfectly and the plane tuned properly. Now, look at this right here. Do you see that? I split right through the medulla ray. I'm planing quarter sawn red oak, and you're slicing right through those rays. So what you're getting is no tear out. You're also getting a shaving. Let me find a spot that I can show you. Maybe back over here. You're getting a shaving that is slightly feathered on both sides. That's so you don't leave any plane tracks. But look at that. Look at all those ray flecks that I shaved right through. Okay? And I did not shut my mouth. See that? I can still take at least a 1/16, possibly more, thick shaving, and it'll pass through. So, you can take whatever whisper thickness shavings you want, and you get no tear out. So, let me show you how I have the blade set up. Because people think this is all only the wood planing elite can do this type of stuff. No, you can do this. Hey, believe me, if I can do this, you can do this. So, ultra sharp blade. I'm cleaning off a little bit of the dust so maybe you can see how finely set it is. There it is. There's the line of light. That's it. That's how much blade is exposed. How much is that? Yeah, that's exactly how much that is. Then I have my chip breaker fit so that it comes down almost at a 90-degree right at the tip. Not quite. It could be 75, it could be 85 degrees. And of course, it's fit tight so that there's no light coming through. Standard ground bevel, honed. Nothing special there. Nothing special on the iron. This is a late model Stanley made in the USA. So it's not like it's some sort of special steel. This is just production steel. Just set in there. Close the hood. Sight it. Okay, you can see. I have to align it. Just a little bit. Now, before I start using it, I will back the iron off. I'll pull the blade back. A little bit of oil or wax. No cut. I'll advance the cut until I get a fine shaving. Now there's a fine shaving. That's a real fine shaving. So now I'm cutting more to this side, so I gotta change the lateral just a little bit more. And there we go, right down the middle. Look at that. Okay? Feathered, cutting through the medullary rays, and the wood is pristine. The wood is literally pristine. I almost don't want to finish projects when they're like this, because the minute you put finish on, it raises the grain. You have to knock that back with a scraper or sandpaper, and it can't get better than this. So, and that's even right in here. There was a branch or something somewhere in the tree, and it's caused a bump here. The grain goes up and down right here. Don't know if you can see that. Right there. That might even be part of the branch right there. It's a little bit rougher right there than anywhere else. But that's about it, everybody. That's all I do. And trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. No special gimmick, no special gear, no special honing guides or special grinding stones. I use 1,000 grit stone. I probably could do it with a 300 grit stone. Doesn't matter. But the finer you sharpen, the smoother your cut. But I don't do that on all my planes, because this is about the only time when I need a really smooth cut. So there you go. If you liked the video, give it the old thumbs up. Give it a like. And if you haven't, I welcome you to subscribe. We went over the 3,000 mark. And when we're solidly over the 3,000 mark, we're going to do something special. But that's the kind of shaving you want to shoot for. Feathered on either side ever so slightly so you don't get plane tracks. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.